Today, we're actually calling the program Yarn Elementary, and we're gonna do our kickoff today. Today's our kickoff, our official kickoff, and this is about introducing fiber arts into the public school system.
My name is Dr. Natalia Russo. I am the principal of PS 145. We can create curriculum around knitting, so this can spread throughout the district, borough, city, and then possibly even nationwide.
Lion Brand was generous enough to donate all the needles, all the yarn for all these students. We're gonna bring up knitting to a whole nother level today.
I really think it's important to teach children to knit because it helps them with hand-eye coordination, math, of learning how to make something with 2 sticks and a piece of string. It's pretty amazing.
I think it helps them imagine and create more what they can do.
It gives them a sense of confidence. They may not be great in one thing, but they might be fabulous in this thing.
My dream for today is to simply have these kids knitting a little swatch. If I can get them to knit a swatch, I'm good.
At first that was exciting, but once we first done it, it was very hard. Then when we kept doing it, it was much easier.
I'm an advocate for boys who knit and for actually bringing the craft of knitting forward into the future.
Being here as a male knitter is extremely exciting because we have a lot of other male knitters here today teaching these young children how to knit. It makes it even more exciting to be a male knitter and showing your presence in the community.
Favorite thing about knitting is that you can make anything you would like to knit. You don't just have to knit a bookmark. My favorite part of knitting is how it grows. If you want to make anything to help anybody to become a superhero, start knitting.
I will say that everyone can do something no matter the gender.
If you make something and you try your best, you will make it.
Today we're planting a seed, and that to me is what's most important. They may not look at it tomorrow, they may look at it 2 years from now and say, hey, I remember that cool guy or that cool girl that taught me how to knit. Today's about planting seeds and building relationships.